send off.
I'm requesting you, please. I have two breaking inputs. I'm coming to Reena Gupta. I'm giving the breaking inputs and getting you to respond, okay? Breaking input number one. Sharmishta Mukherjee, daughter of the late President of India, Pranab Mukherjee, has just tweeted, just now, saying, having said that, and she had tweeted yesterday, in fact, that when Baba passed away, Congress didn't even bother to call CWC for condolence meeting. A senior leader told me it's not done for presidents. That's utter rubbish. As I learned later from Baba's diaries that on K.R. Narayanan's death, CWC was called. Condolence message was drafted by Baba only. Point number two, she just tweeted right now, 9:37, she's tweeted one more. She said, having said that, a memorial for Dr. Singh is a great idea. He deserves it, and also Bharat Ratna, which Baba as president wanted to confer on him, but that didn't happen. Perhaps due to reasons which don't need to be spelled out. That's point number one. Breaking news input number two. I just have a response from the Congress party. K.C. Venugopal has just tweeted, and I'm reading out the tweet, and I want Reena Gupta to respond. Mr. Nadda and BJP have crossed all boundaries of decency and have in fact compelled us to the point the rank hypocrisy and cheap political tricks of BJP. Shoddy arrangements. I'm reading verbatim. Shoddy arrangements and government's conduct at Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji's cremation were deeply insulting, made it clear that the government was hell-bent on diminishing his stature for their petty political reasons. I'm unable to understand. What am I missing here, Reena Gupta? What am I missing? What was shoddy and what was insulting and what diminished anybody's stature today, this morning?
Niranjan ji, I have waited very patiently,
yes, please go
so
on.
I hope I'll be given my due time. So, see, as usual, Bharatiya Janata Party has taken us into history. Congress did this, Nehru did that, उसने ये किया, फलाने ने वो किया. Forget all of those people. You call yourself world's largest party. You call yourself the most sanskari party. What should a sanskari party do? It is the Prime Minister of this country who passed away, who was respected the world over. We are getting condolences from everywhere. Every Prime Minister has had their last rites performed at the banks of River Yamuna. Why could you not allow that? Why did you have to bring the politics down to such a gutter low level? You should have shown a large heart. Forget what Congress did. You claim to be very large-hearted, very big-hearted, largest party, Sanskari party. Why did you not respect the last wishes of Manmohan Singh Ji's family? Point number two, every Prime Minister of the country till now, barring maybe one or two, has had their last rites performed at Rajghat. Why did you not do that? There are stories today I've heard about Chaudhry Charan Singh, a family wanting a memorial for them, and the then Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi in 3 hours organizing it. Why did the Bharatiya Janata Party not do that? Why are you scared of all tall leaders, whether it's Ambedkar ji, Mahatma Gandhi, any leader? A few days ago, the Home Minister of the country was saying, Ambedkar, Ambedkar कहने का fashion हो गया है. You know, their leaders say that the killer of Gandhiji, Nathuram Godse was great. Sanju Verma was taking Ambedkar ji's name. She should be ashamed. Her ancestors have burnt effigies of Ambedkar. Her ancestors burnt effigies of the Constitution. So, the point that I'm making is that the Bharatiya Janata Party has brought the level of politics in this country to a really low level. They have brought the language of politics to a really low level. I just wish
I want to come in here 1 minute.
They had shown a large heart to a Prime Minister and given him his due respect.
Now I want to ask you something. 1 minute.